Welcome to my kitchen with Ganesh Chaturthi just around the corner. Let's make a traditional prasadam that's both nourishing and absolutely delicious. That's Kadlekalu Usli. This is protein-packed black channa dish isn't just a festive favorite, it's believed to be one of the Lord Ganesha's favorite offering. Busting with coconut and aromatic spices, it's the perfect way to add health, tradition, and divinity and irresistible taste to your celebration. Let's get started and let's do this. To make this, first we'll take a cooker. In this, we'll add the the black chana, which has been soaked for about overnight, around 200 grams. We'll add the soaked chana into the cooker. If you don't have time now, what you can do is you can soak this in a hot water for around 2 to 3 hours, and it will also good to go. To this, we'll add just a little bit of salt, and we'll close the lid of the cooker and we'll allow this to cook for about 3 whistles. Now let's see. Let's open the cooker. Look, the steam need to be get out naturally, and you can see here the chanas are perfectly cooked. You can see it's perfectly done. Let's strain it, and here you go. The chanas are perfectly strained, and allow this to cool for a bit. To make a perfect tampering for this, now what you need to do is you need to take near some oil, say around 2 tablespoons. There is no need to add too much of oil, just 2 tablespoons is more than enough. When the oil gets heat, now you need to add some mustard seeds, say around half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Remember, the mustard should crackle, then only it releases its optimum taste. After that, we'll add some green chillies, say chopped around 3 green chillies, and some curry leaves, which gives a beautiful taste and aroma. To this we'll add the hing. This is very important. That's asafoetida or the hing, and you can find the divine smell in the kitchen. And just mix it around and cook until it's crisp. After that, you add the freshly grated coconut, say around half cup of it, and a tablespoon of chopped coriander. That's it. This tampering is this simple. And turn off the flame and just cook it for around 2 to 3 seconds, just more than enough. And the tampering is now ready. Let's add this everything into the chana. That's Kadlekalu Usli. To this we'll add some salt. Remember, we had added the salt at the time of boiling also, so add the salt according to your taste. And there you have it. Our Kadlekalu Usli is now ready. Fragrant, healthy, and bursting with authentic festival flavors. By preparing this special prasadam, you are not just cooking a dish, you are connecting with tradition, spreading joy, and inviting beloved blessing to Lord Ganesha into your home. This protein-rich recipe is perfect for sharing with family, friends, and guests during Ganesh Chaturthi. Make everyone feel nourished and loved. If you enjoyed making this festival treat with me, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and experience. Subscribe to my channel for more traditional recipes and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Here's wishing you a happy and healthy and delicious Ganesh Chaturthi filled with peace and prosperity. So till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya. We'll be back with another yummy such recipes. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara.